As real estate agents, you and I both know we need to post consistently on social media in order to generate leads. And Instagram is a very effective platform for both buyers and seller leads. But I always get too distracted with my other social media platforms like YouTube, and I can never stay consistent on Instagram. So I built this AI automation workflow that reads local news for me about real estate in my area and create an Instagram post with a picture for me every single day. Now I can stay top of mind to my clients and generate leads in the background without doing any work. Everything you see in this video, including the prompts, the blueprint, you can download for free using the link below, so you can plug it into this platform and set it up automatically for yourself. If you want more DIY automation workflow setups, such as how to set up a voice agent to call your leads for you, how to create lead magnets and funnels using AI, or even use AI avatar digital twin that makes videos for you on autopilot that you can post on Instagram and YouTube, then you want to join my real estate automation community to learn how to set up the system yourself, or you can also hire my team to set these up for you. AI is all about automation and scaling the system to grow your business, right? It's not about how to talk to ChatGPT, because that doesn't generate leads. So if you want to use AI correctly and grow your real estate business in 2025 and beyond, you need to be in this community. So now let's take a look at a demo of what that looks like. So right now, this is using a tool to generate news or read the news about Austin area. He asked OpenAI ChatGPT basically to summarize the article, and then use ChatGPT again to write a Instagram post. Then I also asked ChatGPT right here to generate the image. And then at the end, it will also post the image with the post with the caption to Instagram. So the image part is going to take a while. And here we go. Now it's posting on Instagram. And now let's check the Instagram account right here. So this is the account it got posted to. This is my Instagram account. Right now, refresh it. We can see this is the post. It says, exciting news for Austin real estate. The Awana project is coming to the 6 in Lamar area, bring a fresh mix of mixed-use space with residential retail elements, plus with local amenities like shops and experiences. Good caption. Have any questions about how this affect your real estate plans? Reach out at my number or my email. So this is a very basic blueprint. By the way, you can download for free and just plug it in. It gives you a guide, step-by-step guide on how to set this up yourself. And but the next part is how, if you want the improved version, for example, if you want to set up a DM real estate or DM Austin, and then see how this will affect your real estate plan in the Instagram automation, I will do a video in the future to showcase exactly how that works. But the power, this is the proof of concept for you to let you understand. Now, instead of spending like an hour thinking of how to make an Instagram post every single day, now this will set up an Instagram post for you, and you can run it on a custom schedule Monday through Sunday, post at 11:15 a.m., whatever, right? So some of the ways we can improve upon this, the way I like to think about it is that instead of reading local news, it becomes, let's scour the internet and scour the web and see what are some of the homes that went on sale or had the lower prices this past week. And then ask OpenAI or ChatGPT to summarize or create a image using those homes and the prices that discounted with, and share that on your Instagram post, Instagram account. So, and then set up an automation to say, if you are interested in touring one of these homes or learn about the discounts involved, then DM me discounts and let's stay in touch. So that's how you generate leads. So the scalability, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it, think about it, is that once we set up the AI avatar, which I will do in my next video, where I'll show you exactly how to set up an AI version of yourself. And it will say, instead of having a text prompt and a caption like this, you'll create an Instagram reel, or with you basically reading through this exciting news with Austin real estate. The Awana project is coming to the 6 in Lamar area. So this will become a video where I'm explaining what's going on with this news article, and it's going to look exactly like me and sound exactly like me. And then we're going to share that on Instagram.
Exciting news for Austin real estate. The Awana project is coming to the 6th and Lamar area, bringing a fresh mixed-use space with residential, retail, and office elements. Mixed-use developments are gaining traction, offering vibrant urban living that clients love.
So once I get that system set up, I use that AI avatar to do a lot more content creation. For example, talk about market updates. For example, we can talk about rate drop. For example, we can talk about this new construction home tour, right? And instead of me trying to film everything myself, I just let ChatGPT generate the prompt for me and then send a request to generate that video and then share that on Instagram automatically. That is absolutely possible. So if you want to know how to do that, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going to go over that next video to set up the AI twin and showcase how we can automate content creation on Instagram, short form video on Instagram, using AI automation. And again, if you are interested in participating and learning about how to make these things work for yourself, you can join my AI automation for real estate community using the link down below. Currently, it's at $25 per month, and more content and more automation and workflows means it will become more expensive in the future. So lock in your price today. And if you don't want to learn any of these, you just want this thing set up, you can also reach out to me using the link down below. And now let's go over a little quickly about this demo. I already showcased how this works. It's the same workflow as I did in the last video, which is making posts on Facebook. This is the one that is an RSS feed, which is a aggregation of any news or any updates for a website. And this website right here, rss.app, it aggregates all of the Austin real estate information, and then you will take the latest information for me, and then I'm going to send that article to OpenAI. OpenAI is going to create using this prompt right here. I use the 4.0 mini model, which is the cheaper model right here, to show you to summarize the article at this URL, which is the article that it sent me. And then it's going to go to OpenAI again and say, okay, I'm using 4.0 to 4.0, which is a different model. It's a little bit more expensive, but they do pretty well. And then say, you're a social media writer for real estate agents. Your job story helpful. Let's do, instead of Facebook post, we're going to do Instagram post. So we're going to save that one. And make sure that you want to make sure the language you uses doesn't sound AI, right? Because a lot of AI systems out there, when you write, they use so many emojis, you just know that is AI written. So that's why you need to have a prompt like this right here. Avoid cliche, marketing buzzwords, and example, don't say, let's dive into this revolutionary solution, and say, here's how it works instead. So right now, the call to action is that to call me at this number or send me an email. In the future, you will be DM me for a guide or DM me for a first-time homebuyer guide to receive the copy. And that is a true Instagram automation. I'm going to set that up and put that in my community. So once we know how to, once we generate the lead magnet that people can download, that you can just set this one up, let it run on background. And any news that's related to first-time homebuyer, you'll give them the first-time homebuyer guide. Any news related to investment, they'll give them the investor guide, etc. Right? So that's how you generate leads. You provide value on Instagram. And the next one is that generate image. You also use OpenAI, but we use DALL-E 3. I personally don't like DALL-E 3. It's a pretty crappy model. I think that there are other better models out there, but for simplicity's sake, just to demo how it works, I'm just going to use ChatGPT. So if you want to download this script right here and just plug it into make.com and just start using it or modify it yourself, definitely feel free to do that. And then you have to connect to your Instagram account, right? So you have to connect to your Facebook, and your Facebook has to be connected to your Instagram. So that's how you have a cross-post opportunity or post automation opportunity. So now that's basically the video. You guys set up. You can set up in under like 5 minutes. As long as you did the work from the last video, which is setting up on Facebook, you have your OpenAI API keys, and then you have a connection to Instagram, which I already showcased in the last video. But if you have any questions, feel free to email me. If you want to learn more and have more discussions, join my paid community. It's $25 a month. So cheap. You need to take advantage while the price is so low. It's just going to get better and better. All right. Subscribe to the channel. The next video is going to be how to set up an AI twin, an avatar that makes videos for you. I'm excited about that.